How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, and I have an exciting ticker I want to talk about, and that is DLA, Delta Apparel, and everyone's trying to figure out where's this bottom, how far can this thing go down, are we going to hit historical level lows? I'm going to get right into that. I'm going to show you guys my exact system on how I'm going to plan on trading this, but before I get right into it, I do have a premium Discord. You're welcome to join it. It's only $6 a month, and I give you guys my exact entries with precise entries and my exit plan all in that package. And I'm going to show you guys exactly why you're going to want to join, and I'm going to show you the system here. So, DLA. It's very oversold. We all know that just based on our side, but we do not trade just based on that. It's at 11.59. But I'm going to show you the bands here in my unique strategy that I have developed for over 6 years, and it works consistently to do this full time for me. So I'm telling you, it does work. So let's go over it. So the bottom band is labeled green, and it means a buy zone. It does not mean I get in right away. There is a lot of criteria that I have developed that it mitigates losses. The red band is your sell zone. That means when price gets near it, it sells off. Blue band is your most important, as that is where price will correct to. It has to correct to, and it does it all the time. As you can see, when price goes down below, price corrects. Price goes up, price corrects to the blue band. It's always going to be like an ocean wave. It seems like never ending. As you can see right in here, you get a buy signal, price goes up. Then we don't touch the bottom band ever since. But as you can see, we had this gap right here. We touched the blue band. This whole gap didn't, and then guess what? We touch it. There's always a time frame. This was 804, and then all the way to 1017. About 2 months is like the longest you'll ever see. This was a pretty big gap of not touching it. So you can know strategies like that and how to use it. Touch top, goes out. This works very, very consistently. And then we see this goes up, touches the blue band, making a lot of gains right in there. Now, where are we looking to go in? Because I do not just base my trade just based on the green band. There is a KDJ. I had this yellow line right in here that shows me the lower it is, the better it is. The first big red candle does not even alert me anything because I always ignore the first 3 red candles, and I don't care about whatever it is at. I just ignore all of that. So you go all the way to these 3 red candles, you ignore it because the big red candle is obviously going to penetrate the band, and it's going to suck in a lot of retail traders, and they're going to think, oh, this is a cheap discounted price, but it's not, as the price still goes down lower. So we're on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 day red streak. I can see it going down a little more, but we're getting very close to the bottom. If not, this might just be it right here, guys. So we're sitting at right now at a K at 598. Now, what does that mean? 5.98. That means we are getting really, really overextended, where we're going to stretch the rubber band and it's going to pop. This is going to go up very big, and a conservative target you can target is that green band. 3.27. Just that alone is massive gains. And then the blue band is at 5.65, giving you almost 100% gainer potential. Obviously, this is going to fluctuate. As the price goes down, this goes down with it. So you can target right halfway mark is my rule of thumb with this strategy. Halfway mark, you can target. But for me, honestly, I take the green band for a conservative short-term target. That way, if it does go down, I keep rinsing and repeating, making massive gains on this stock. So that's what that is looking at. We are getting to some levels where I'm like, wow, this is looking like a nice trade to make a lot of people rich here. Because also what I want to show you is I was at the daily. This is very unheard of too. Look at the weekly here. You don't see this much. Obviously, we know bigger the time frame, the better the signal. This is the COVID crisis where everything went down. It didn't matter what stock it is. As you can see, the weekly barely penetrated down. It penetrated down below, and guess what happened next? We go right back to this blue band, making massive returns, almost 100%, and then plus way more. We went way up there. Here's another weekly going up. So weekly is obviously going to be your best signals right here, going down, going down, going down. right in here. But obviously, you want to make sure it coordinates with the daily. So looking at the weekly here, I'm loving this trade just because it's all down below my band, and the K is at 15, RSI 21. So everything is looking great, and then we're at an all-time low at 2.09. So let's say our risk versus reward. Let's say we do go to an all-time low and even break it. There's going to be a lot of strong buyers that are going to be into that area. Do I think we're going to go to an all-time low? It's a possibility, but in this short-term area, we are going to want to bounce to this green band because we have a lot of black space right in this area. So I do think just this alone, we can easily get to $3 range, 327 right in this. That looks pretty nice to me. If you guys want to join the Discord, I highly recommend it because this right here is going to show you guys, one, how the system works. I can't go over all the neeks, the special criteria, the special circumstances that happen with this strat. I have a setup video of how to trade like a pro, how I personally am living proof that use this strategy for over 6 years, and this is the only strategy I use it because I've used every strategy in the book you can think of, and this strategy works because I like to catch cheap shares at a discounted price, undervalued companies, and then sell them for a higher price and make massive money. That's how I like to do it, and I've developed a system with unique customizations on this where it works for every stock in the market. And obviously, some circumstances are different, so there's a unique video that talks about that. Trade alerts, I will tell you guys my exact entries and exits, guys. This is what it's going to look like. It's very professional, and the most important thing with any bottom reversal type of style is accumulation, and I tell you guys how to properly accumulate. Premium chats look like this. If you guys want to message anyone, we have lots of people online. We're getting close to... We have over 1,000 members total in the Discord, so I am thinking about increasing the price. It is only $6. I am going to grandfather the people who do get in that price. It's locked in permanently forever, as long as you don't cancel. But the $6 will give you every tool in here of how I successfully trade, my trade alerts if you want to exactly follow, and all that good stuff. And then how I eventually plan on to get into DLA, Delta Apparel, and how I'm going to get these precise entries, because this is looking like a good trade. So if you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6, nothing to lose. Go down to the YouTube comments below. There will be a link. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and these are the best trades, guys. You're going to love it. And also, guys, tell me your average share price for DLA. Tell me, give it a like, subscribe the video. Any type of engagement will help share this video to other retail traders who desperately need to see how to catch reversals. Where is this stock heading? Is there hope? There is a lot of hope for this stock. As you can see, it recovered from way below these levels and went way up. Just have a little patience if you want to have a longer term target. But yeah, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Any type of engagement will help the YouTube algorithm. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the Discord if you watched it this long, and let's make some money together. Peace out.